Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, congratulations to Uvyokazi Nciweni, who went to Istanbul to get her body fixed. Guys, when you have money, you can buy absolutely anything. So Ugelke, there were suspicions that she is not on just any vacation. People were suspecting good time and Ugel Ngati she is going to do something to her body because the hospital that she was in Istanbul, it's the hospital that most celebrities go to when they want to get something done, emzimbeni. So people were just like, hey, we are wondering what is she going to do, because okay, man, there's nothing that people see ukuthi irongi or kanjani, but ke sana ugirl went to Istanbul to do a weight loss surgery, gastric sleeve surgery, guys. The surgery that was done by Umamlambu from Uzalo, that one. So this is a picture that was posted by the hospital or the clinic, I'm not sure, but this is what was posted, and they said, our princess from South Africa, our patient said hello to a new life thanks to the experienced hands of Dr. Oren. I am showing this photo as a memory from our nutrition meeting after gastric sleeve surgery. You are so cute and sweet, Vuyokazi. I am so happy to have met you. Hey, Sana, money. So I'm just guessing, Sana, people who like vlogs, guys, you guys can just go and check out her vlogging channel. I'm sure she gave us something there, of how the trip went, what she was doing and stuff. So I'm just gonna go to her YouTube channel, Nami, and catch up, because I thought like, okay, she's just on a vacation. People are always suspecting Peluti, hey, Uzbanban is going to do this and that, but after seeing that, we are awaiting waiting for the results to see Ugel snatched and stuff. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.